In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a site link in Framer. This is a really simple but useful skill, especially if you're sharing your work with clients, teammates, or friends, or if you just want to preview your site on another device. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged into your Framer account. Once you're logged in, you'll start on the Framer dashboard. This is the main area where you can see all of your projects or sites. If you're not already there, look for an option like Dashboard or Projects in the top navigation and click it. You should now see a grid or list of all your recent Framer projects. Next, find the specific site whose link you want to copy. Take a moment to double check that you've selected the correct project, especially if you have multiple versions or similar names. When you hover over or move your mouse near that project tile, you'll notice a small icon with 3 dots, usually called the More Options menu. This is typically located in a corner of the project card. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A small menu will appear with several options related to that project. In this menu, look for the option labeled Copy Link. The wording might vary slightly depending on any updates to Framer's interface, but it will clearly mention copying or sharing the link to your site. Click Copy Link. As soon as you do that, Framer will automatically copy the site's URL to your clipboard. You might see a small confirmation message on the screen, something like link copied, which lets you know it worked. From here, you don't need to copy anything manually. It's already stored and ready to paste. Now you can paste that link wherever you need it. For example, you can open an email, a message, or a browser tab and use your usual paste shortcut to insert the link. If you're sharing with someone else, remember that their ability to view the site may depend on your project's publish or sharing settings, so make sure your site is published and accessible if they report any issues viewing it. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to quickly copy a site link in Framer from your dashboard using the